Guilty of 297 million shillings fraud is set to know his fate tomorrow. The MP is being remanded at Kileleshwa Police Station.
Sirisia Member of Parliament John Waluke will not have an easy night at the Kileleshwa Police Station cells. The night's cold is not the biggest worry for Waluke tonight though. The Member of Parliament alongside Grace Wakungu are set to receive judgment on a 297 million shillings fraud case in which both have been found guilty.
The accused confirmed the directorship of the third accused, that the three of them as directors made joint decision to bid for the supply of the maize at NCBP, and that each director was to source the maize before they could look for the bid bond.
That judgment will be delivered by Anti-Corruption Court Magistrate Elizabeth Juma on Thursday at the Milimani Law Courts. If the Member of Parliament will be sentenced to a jail term of more than 6 months, then he is likely to lose his position as a Member of Parliament. In other news, Police Constable Duncan Mandiwa, who is accused of killing 13-year-old Yasin Moyo in Huruma Estate, has been remanded at Capitol Hill Police Station until 8th June when his bail application ruling will be made. During the bail application hearing on Wednesday, the prosecution told the court that the suspect should not be granted bail since he had lied to the court that he had gone to seek medical services at Mbagathi Hospital after he started manifesting COVID-19-like symptoms, a claim that the hospital denied. Tracy Mukami, TV 47.
Well, it's already half an hour.